Hey guys, welcome back. This is Francis from Phoenix 15 Studios Arts and Craft, and today we'll be unboxing the Easy Press 2 from Cricut. And you guys already saw my previous video where I got the Cricut Maker 2, so this is an addition to my Cricut collection. If I can take it out. It's really snug in here. Here. So this is the box. It's really nice. I do like Cricut's designs that they have for the box. It's really nice. Alright, and just like in my Cricut Maker, there's the top that has a pretty little let's do this. Obviously, this is a craft project that's in here for me to do. Box out the way, and this comes in this cool little sack here. All right guys, this is what it looks like. And it's basically just a really huge iron. Bottom part has little holes in it to let the air out. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. Not much to it. I will be testing it out within the next couple days. I just finished getting some t-shirts to try to get my first project going there. While I have you guys here, I want to let you know I also got some other things for my Cricut. We got the applicator and removal kit here. We also have a weeding tool set. And this is an entire essential tool kit. Which comes with scissors. There's some various weeding tools here as well, and a cutter. I have a whole kit of 30 ultra fine point pens. This will be used for calligraphy work or any other writing for cards. I got a new mat. This one is a light grip mat. And last but not least, I have 5 new edition heads for the Cricut Maker. This one right here is the basic perforation blade. This one is the knife blade, and I got all of mine with the drive housing in it, so it could be easier for me to just put it in and not have to worry about having to switch it from the old one, put it on the new one. So each of them has its own little housing. This is a fine debossing tip. Okay. This one is a scoring wheel combo pack. And this one actually has 2 tips where you can swap them out. And the last one that I got is a wavy blade. Okay. So I got all these cool little gadgets for the Cricut Maker to help me out in my journey with the Cricut. I also just got the Easy Press 2 that will also be doing t-shirts with and some other fun stuff. So stay with me during this journey. I will be doing a lot of several more videos with regards to my whole entire Cricut journey. Aside from this, I might also have some other friends who are a little bit more of a pro with the Cricut Maker that'll be joining me to do some fun activities. We might do some live while we're at it. Before I let you go, here's a look at our first few projects on the Easy Press 2. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notification on future Phoenix 15 Studios arts and craft content and future guests. See, listen, learn, and love.